Welcome to the lecture video. Today we will discuss about methods of purification and analysis. So let's start. What is the difference between pure substance and mixture? Pure substance. Pure substance is basically a single substance which is not mixed with anything else, such as white sugar, copper sulfate crystals, and distilled water. What is mixture? Mixture is basically contains two or more substances. Its quantity is more on earth, such as seawater is a mixture of salt, water and dissolves solids. Milk is a mixture of fats and dissolved solids. So there are different methods of purification such as filtration, crystallization, sublimation, simple distillation, fractional distillation and chromatography. So first we will discuss about filtration. Filtration. Principle is separation of an insoluble solid from a solution is known as filtration process. Limitation. The process of filtration cannot separate a soluble solid from a solution. Importance of filtration process is purification of river water to make it drinkable. Now let's see how the filtration process takes place. Procedure. Pour the mixture into a filter funnel that is lined with filter paper. Then collect the filtrate from the conical flask or beaker. Collect the residue and dry it on a piece of paper. Now this picture shows that how residue is separated with the help of a filter paper, and this is how filtrate is obtained. What is residue? Residue solid that remains on the filter paper, while the filtrate the liquid that passes through the filter paper. So what is the importance of filtration process? River water purification. Pure water is obtained by passing the river water through different stages. Now which process is used to remove the sand from the mixture of sand and water? So the answer is filtration process. Concept map. Filtration process is a separation technique which is used to separate insoluble solids, examples such as sand, clay, dust particles. Any queries? Thank you. Goodbye.